Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Search Console to Odoo. This integration is essential for tracking your website's performance in Google search results and identifying opportunities to improve your site's visibility. First, open your browser and navigate to search.google.com. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account credentials. This will give you access to Google Search Console, where you'll manage all your website's search performance data. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Search Console homepage. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll see an option labeled Search Property. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Add Property. This is where you'll begin the process of registering your Odoo website with Google Search Console. You'll now see two options for adding your property. For this tutorial, we'll be using the URL prefix method. In the URL prefix field, type in your complete Odoo website URL. Make sure you enter it exactly as it appears, including whether it uses HTTP or HTTPS. Once you've entered the URL, click Continue to move forward with the verification process. Google will now present you with several verification methods. Locate the option labeled HTML tag and click on the drop-down menu to expand it. You'll see a meta tag displayed. Click the Copy button to copy this HTML code to your clipboard. This tag is crucial as it's how Google will confirm that you own the website you're trying to add. Now, switch over to your Odoo website. At the top left corner of your Odoo interface, click on Site. This will reveal a menu with various website management options. From this menu, select HTML CSS Editor. This tool allows you to add custom code to your website without needing to access the backend files directly. Within the HTML CSS editor, look for the option that says Inject Code in Head or Body and click on it. This feature lets you add the verification code to your website's HTML structure. You'll see two sections here, one for the head and one for the body. Click on the head section, as this is where Google's verification code needs to be placed. Paste the HTML code you copied from Google Search Console into the head section. Double-check that the entire code has been pasted correctly, as any missing characters could cause the verification to fail. Once you're confident everything is in place, click Save to apply the changes to your website. Now, head back to your Google Search Console tab. Click the Verify button to let Google check for the meta tag you just added to your Odoo site. Google will scan your website's code, and if everything is set up correctly, you'll see a confirmation message that your property has been successfully verified. And that's it. Your Odoo website is now connected to Google Search Console, and you can start monitoring your site's search performance, submitting sitemaps, and identifying technical issues. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.